No. This hasn't happened in so long. I regret it. Sometimes if I stand up, it stops. So attractive. I even got this thing. It's not a cigarette. Hold on. If I breathe too heavy, it'll happen. Hold on. It hurts. I don't like it. I don't like it. And then now, because you fucking freaks, every time it happens to me, I'm just like, oh, I better fucking get my... Trying to take, like, short, but, like, steady breaths. So it gets rid of it. I've been doing great. Haven't had hiccups in I need a deep breath, and I know the second I do that, I'm gonna hiccup. Got my air purifier going. Lilith! That didn't make you stop whatever you're doing. It's like a nice normal one. It's a nice normal one. That doesn't make her stop whatever's going on in here. Lilith. I don't like it. It doesn't feel good. Hello? Get out. Fucking weasel. No. 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 Okay. No more. Oh, I almost dropped her. Okay. She had a long day. A long day of sleeping. Long day of sleeping while I looked for her because I thought she was outside first. So I searched outside with a flashlight looking for, like, eye shine. And then I searched in the attic because I was up there at some minute. I don't know how she does it, but she just, like... slips by ya. Lilith. Calm yourself. Calm it. Bye. You're just like... Fine. Okay, she's fine. Lilith. Love you. Bye. She plays with that one, but she's scared of that one. I mean, he's her natural enemy, so makes sense. I can't believe that. Little bitch. Well, ho? Where you at? And she's in stash number... Oh, you're in stash... What? You're in stash number 7? She's never in stash number 7. Is that where you go when you're scared? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing, Lo? Let me scratch you. Where's your body? Boop, boop. In your tunnel. I really thought it was over. Ooh. What is this? Is that why you're not eating your food? You eating the cat food? I just like fucking with them. And also, I'm just gonna include this in this video. It's a 7-minute video already. Fuck, I don't know how to turn the lights on. I think I'm gonna puke. I hate that. I hate that. I just drank a whole soda. I'm gonna throw up. Hold on. I got shit to do. I got people to talk to. I got fucking boyfriend to either break up with or just cry myself to sleep with and not break up. I don't know. I feel like I'm the perfect girlfriend though. I mean, he has a kid and he works like almost 12 hours a day, and I'm like, okay, if I'm here when you get home, I clean the house. I pay for the food a lot of times. I make sure it's cleaned up after so that he can take a nap. I bought us a deliciously gorgeous date book that is like, it was expensive because it does a lot of weird shit. But, and then like intimacy cards, a card game you play while you drink. I'm so giving, first of all. It's me. I'm a giver. Someone can be like, oh, my bad, I'm sorry, I didn't do this or that. And I'll forgive them like 7 to 10 times. Oh, my foot. Hey, you weasel.